A very nice good morning to one and all present here. I am Prasant and am present in front of you to discuss the deadlock recovery methods. This topic is given by our respected Anjesh sir. So I can start from the process of how to recover the deadlock. As we all know that the deadlock is very big problem of our computer system. It makes our system very slow and very difficult. So it is important to recover our system from the deadlock. So here is two processes from which we can stop the deadlock occurrence in our system by its recovery method. First one is killing the process. In this method, there are basically four methods of preventing from deadlock to our system. Is first is kill all. We have to just kill all the process and we can prevent our system from the deadlock. Second one is priority. The priority base, if there is a process which have less priority and it's create the deadlock in our system. So firstly we have to check their priority, and then according to their priority which one is less, we have to kill that process to execute, so that we can prevent our system from the deadlock. Third one is percentage. The percentage of process is executed. As much large number of percentage is left to complete the execution, we need to first kill that process, so that the time and deadlock both are prevented and other process can execute at that time, and our system will be totally prevented from the deadlock. Resource holding. After these three, if this is another way of recovery from deadlock, that is resource holding. We have to check their a process how much the resource is they are holding. If they are holding large amount of resource, and that because of that process the deadlock is occur in our system, we have to kill that process, so that all the resources are free and that resource allocated to another processes to execute them. And this method we can recover our system from the deadlock. And another method of recovery is resource preemption. In here we have to forcefully release the resources from any executing or holding process which are holding a huge number of resource, and we forcefully release that resource from that process and distribute that resource into another processes, so that they can execute and perform their execution. And this is the way from where we can recover deadlock and we can prevent our system from deadlock. Thank you very much.